Now we're going to be finding the surface area of cylinders. So, remember, radius is half of your diameter. Our diameter is 12, so that means our radius is going to be 6. 3 is 6. Our height is what connects our two bases. Our height is 14. And the lateral surface area for a cylinder is 2 pi r h, the circumference, times the height. So we're going to do 2 pi times 6 times 14. So if this had said to keep my answer in terms of pi, that means, and I'm going to just type in, I'm going to multiply all my whole numbers. So 2 times 6 times 14. I'm not going to touch that pi symbol. I would just write it in at the end. So 2 times 6 times 14 is 168 pi centimeters squared. So that would be my answer in terms of pi. If it said round to the nearest 10th or round to the nearest 100th, that's when we use the pi button on my calculator. Let's round to the nearest 10th. I would get 527. 527.8 squared. Okay, that's my lateral surface area. So then to find my total surface area, I'm just going to add in my two bases. So I will use the 168 pi for my lateral surface area. And then I'm going to add in two circles. My top circle, my bottom circle. My bases are circles. So 2 pi times my radius squared. 2 pi r squared. So 2 times 6 squared is 72 pi. 168 pi plus 72 pi. So in terms of pi, I just have to do 168 plus 72, which is 240. And then I stick on the pi. So 240. Or I could type in the pi button on my calculator to get a decimal. So if I wanted to round to the nearest 10th, it'd be 753.98, which would actually round to 754. 0. Just read the directions. Go ahead, pause the video, try this one on your own, and then check it. Try it on your own. Cool. My radius is 5. My height is 10. So my lateral is 2 pi times 5 times 10. So that is 100 pi centimeters squared. Or if you typed in the pi button in your calculator, that would give you 314.2. And then to find my total surface area, I'm just going to take my lateral surface area and then add in my two bases. So 2 pi r squared. So that would give me 100 pi plus 50 pi, which is 150 pi centimeters squared. Or you could check the pi button on your calculator because it talked about rounding to a decimal. It would be 471.2.